fried rice with oil and fried garlic. And I will cook this and mix with the salted egg. Salted egg. So that is a salted egg fried rice. Budget meal. One black pepper. At konting asin. Haluin. Ayan na. Meron ka ng salted fried rice. Ayan na ang ating salted fried rice.